Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the Samsung TV Plus Kodi add-on step by step. This add-on lets you stream free live channels similar to Samsung TV Plus, right inside Kodi. So let's get started. Step 1. Go to Settings. From Kodi home screen, click the Settings icon. Select File Manager. Step 2. Add Source. Click Add Source. Click None. Enter the repository URL, shown in the video description. Click OK. Name the source, for example, Samsung TV. Click OK. Step 3. Install repository. Go back to Kodi home screen. Click Add-ons. Select Install from zip file. Choose the source name you just added. Select the repository zip file. Wait for the notification. Repository installed. Step 4. Install Samsung TV Plus add-on. Click Install from repository. Select the installed repository. Go to Video Add-ons. Click Samsung TV Plus. Click Install. Wait for the add-on installed notification. Conclusion. That's how you install Samsung TV Plus Kodi add-on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.